Who doesn't want to record a video with a little file size and still have the best standard quality? That's why I'll be showing you how I record my YouTube tutorial videos with less MB and standard quality. But before I get to that, kindly help me do one thing. Your subscription to my channel would go a long way in helping me share more videos like this. Thief for thanks. So let's get to that. Alright, so first thing you want to go to Play Store. So this is a Play Store, the Google Play Store, and then you search for the app AZ Screen Recorder. There are other apps you can use. Actually I can recommend only two because those are the ones I've really tried, and that the first one, and this is the one I use. And then there's another one called let me show you that one first. There's another one called Mobizin. Yeah, this one here, so you can use this as well. But for these like what I do, I use this AZ Screen Recorder. So I've already installed it, so it's showing open here. But if you haven't installed it already, it's going to be showing you install. So you're going to install it. It's about 11 MB, and it also have pro features. So you can choose to subscribe to the pro features that you're gonna pay for that, but you can use the free mode. Alright, so having installed that, what I do, like I said, I use AZ Screen Recorder. So let's say I'm recording videos for my I'll use Pixel Lab, because that's one of the major things I share on my channel. So I'm gonna show you something I do now. So even recording this now, I'm using AZ Screen Recorder already. So no need for me to go and click on it again, but I'm going to show you the setting. So I'm going to search for AZ Screen Recorder. That's it. So I'm going to show you how you can set yours. Now you go to this place here, this setting, and the resolution, you're going to take 1162 times 540. 1162 times 540. See, you have to do it this way so you can get because remember, the goal here is recording videos no matter the file size, and still having no matter the length, and still having a small file size, and then standard quality, right? So the bit rate here is 2.5 Mbps. So the frame rate here is 20 F. Remember, take note of these values. So the orientation auto, I put it in auto, not landscape or portrait. This is because while recording my video, I may decide to do it on landscape, do it at portrait. So in case I rotate my screen now, it won't give me the wrong video orientation or whatever. Yeah. So if I'm rotating my screen like landscape, see the video orientation won't be affected. Just you can play with it on your own to see what I mean. I won't talk more on that. So time lapse, okay, record audio, output directory. So you can you don't have to say, oh, I have to record only. I don't have as in maybe you don't have space in your phone storage. You can change it to your SD card here. You get. So you can either record on your SD card, to your SD card, or to your phone. So either one works. So these use magic button. Well, you can play with all these to know what I mean, but I'm not using all this one. I the record window during recording. If you notice now, you're seeing this pink color, this button here. This button is because I didn't hide it. I didn't hide this recording window. So if you hide it, you will have to draw your screen here to end it. So because it won't show here, but I prefer it showing here, so I can just touch it and then so count down before start. So you may want to set a timer, because if you don't set a timer, if you put it at 0 seconds, that means as soon as you press record, it will just start recording. But this timer, you're going to give you at least a time to position yourself properly. like get you understand what I'm saying. So that's it. So this recording toolbars, you'll have screenshot, camera, brush. If you notice in some of my videos, I make use of this brush to like highlight certain things to show you what I'm doing. For example, let me show you this. Got a toolbars here, so you can say brush. I can use it to show you stuff. So that's what it means. So you can change the color of that. But all these I think these are pro features. It may not be available in the free mode. So once again, this is the resolution, the bitrate, frame rate, orientation. Yeah, so let's say you have recorded your video using this AZ screen recorder. It's not going to give you the size you're looking for. It's going to give you the, at least based on this setting, it's still going to give you a not that high, the size won't be that high compared to if you just set it with something else. It might give you something high. And so this one now, and also you can even use this what I'm showing you now in your whole normal when you are recording video with your using your phone camera. You can just put it, maybe I'll talk about that on another video, that's if you want me to. So you can just be recording your video. You won't record actually, you're just gonna put it let me focus on this video actually. So I don't get you confused. So we're talking about how I record my YouTube videos. Let me just stick on that. So let's stick to that rather. So after you have done this, let's say we have recorded our video. Remember, I'm recording a video already, so I'm just going to show you a video that I've recorded before. Alright, so this Play Store will be using another app. First of all, you should have that app installed. This app is called Panda. It's super good. So you're going to install this Panda app. So I'm going to open this Panda app now. So let's say you have recorded your video. Now you look for the video here. Either you look for it here, or you can simply go to your file manager, and that is pretty easy to do. So I'm going to do that one. Alright, so this is a video I recorded. So as you can see now, the file size is 325. So I want to reduce this file size. So I'm going to click on share here, and I'm going to take it to this Panda app. So this is another way you can just do it. So this is it. You are going to, this video is selected now. So what you do is press compress here, this compress here. So you're going to press compress, and then you see it's going to show small file, medium file, beta file, large file. The secret here is that something you need to know is that the higher the file size, the higher the file size, the smaller it will be when you compress it. So that's amazing, right? So if you have a 1 gig file where you're doing this, you're going to even get a smaller result than when it's about 310. You get, it's amazing, right? So follow me. The goal here is getting the standard quality and having a smaller size and still having a standard quality. So we don't want to go for small file, we don't want to go for medium file. What I do, that's what I'm showing you. We go for large file. Yeah, large file, and then you click on compress. So it's going to tell you to wait. Panda is squeezing your file. You're going to wait till it gets to 100. So we're going to wait. So I don't want this recording to be running while we wait for that. Sometimes it doesn't really take much time, but sometimes it does, because based on the size of the file. So I'm going to pause this now and wait till it gets to 100. And of course, if you want me to share with you how I edit my tutorial videos with my smartphone, kindly leave it in the comment section. If I get up to 100 comments, I'll make a video on that. Alright guys, so this is about 94% now, just 6 more percent, and we're good to go. 99 and it's a go. Okay, so we have so it says here that this is the result. We have saved about 267 MB. The original file size here, it shows 210 MB, and the compressed file size 44 MB. That means the compressed video have a file size of 44 MB. Before we save our video, I'm going to show you how to save it. It's not hard. You can see the save here. All you have to do is to click save here. But then let's compare it using this compare button here. So the one at the bottom is the original video, and then the one at the top is the compressed video. Alright, so we're going to start with the original video, which is this. So let's just see the quality of the video, the size. Sorry, the quality rather, not the size. So you can see this is the quality. Now we are comparing it now. Let's take a look at this one now. If you are gonna, there won't be any difference. That's amazing. So but then like I said, if you notice now, we just saved 7 MB. But then if the file size is like we're talking about 1 gig, 1 point something gig, 2 gig, and then you did this thing I just showed you, man, you're gonna even have smaller, you're gonna save a lot of MB. Think about saving 900 or something MB, 700 or something MB, don't you know? You get the gist, right? So that's what I'm saying. Awesome. So when you are done, all you have to do is press save there, and it's going to say compressed video will be saved to blah blah blah. All you have to pray, if you want to change folder, you can change the folder. You're going to see it here. Is it here? The one here, how to design a flyer, a snack flyer. So where you're going to see it is movies. That means the place you saved it, the directory, the file location you get, folder or whatever. So the one I said now is international. I say international. Internal shared storage, then movies, and then video Panda. So you're gonna find it in the video Panda folder, whether you saved it in your file manager, in your SD card or your phone storage. You're gonna find it in the video Panda folder. You get, so you're gonna look for that. Alright, so that is it for today, and don't forget to like this video, and God bless you for viewing. See you soon.